people struggle with being overweight continuously. In actuality, 75% of Americans are overweight, according to the National Institutes of Health. Even more alarming is the fact that they also mention that 33% of those individuals are fat. There is a link between obesity and excess weight in conditions like insomnia and other sleep problems. Sleep deprivation, according to researchers at the University of Chicago, can affect your digestion and hormone levels. So keep an eye out for the best nighttime beverages that will aid in weight loss. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this. Number 1. Cherry Aloe Vera Drink. Cherry aloe vera juice is ranked first. A study that was released in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that tart cherry juice significantly reduces insomnia. According to a different research published in the European Journal of Nutrition, drinking tart cherry juice can raise melatonin levels, which will enhance the quality of your sleep. According to Daily Health Post, aloe vera gel contains potent vitamins, enzymes, and minerals that can aid in weight reduction. Number 2. Milk. According to Men's Health, the high amounts of calcium and tryptophan in cold warm drinks can promote deeper sleep. Moreover, converting extra fat into muscle is a method of getting clear of it. Exercise milk casein protein, which has a slow rate of digestion, can aid in overnight muscle growth according to study from Medicine and Science in Sports. Soy protein has been shown to induce melatonin, which can help to improve sleep, according to study from Birmingham University. Additionally, the tryptophan in this beverage can aid in lowering cortisol levels, which will aid in the battle against belly fat. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you consume a glass of milk every day? Since we're talking about milk, keep viewing though, as we will discuss milk's health and advantages after describing the 5 bedtime beverages that can aid in weight loss. Number 3. Grape juice. According to research that was published in the journal Cell Reports, grape juice includes insulin, which has the power to control the body's circadian rhythms. Additionally, resveratrol, an antioxidant found in grapes, actually changes calorie-storing white fat into calorie-burning brown fat, according to a research published in the 215 International Journal of Obesity. Number 4. Apple psyllium. The Daily Health Post claims that the apples in this beverage both reduce the amount of fat that is absorbed from the intestines and facilitate the body's conversion of fats into fatty acids. According to the Daily Health Post, when psyllium is consumed by the body, it expands to create a gel-like mass by absorbing water from the colon. This promotes quicker elimination of waste from the intestines. The apple with the peel on should be chopped up and blended with the water to create this beverage. After that, transfer the mixture to a big cup and stir in the psyllium and cinnamon powder, and then drink it immediately. Number 5. Kefir. According to Men's Health, kefir aids in boosting the quantity of good bacteria in the gut, which improves digestion and makes it easier to ingest vitamins and minerals. Kefir also enhances sleep. According to a study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, better slumber can lessen the effects of stress and make you feel more rested in the morning. You will be less likely to give in to the desire to snack or indulge in less healthy treats if you have more energy throughout the day. Additionally, you'll have more vitality for exercise. Remember that a healthy diet and an active living are both necessary for weight loss. You can start losing weight and enhancing your general health if you alter your diet, eliminate high-calorie, sugary foods, and start moving more. However, you don't have to totally give up all of your favorite foods. Everything in moderation. You can eat that piece of dessert, but try not to eat too much. Dieting can have a significant negative impact on someone's emotional health, and if it's done incorrectly, it can result in binging or even just giving up. Asking a doctor, dietitian, physical trainer, or nutritionist for guidance may be a good idea if you want to lose weight, but are unsure of how to go about it or where to begin. Here is what occurs to your body when you drink milk every day, so you know what beverages to drink before bed to aid in weight loss. For the majority of infants, their mother's milk is their first source of nutrition. Then as you develop, you keep hearing to consume your milk to get big and strong. Due to its high calcium content, milk and other dairy products are frequently consumed by people. But what really occurs when consume milk? Should we continue to consume milk as adults, or is that only appropriate for infants and calves? Numerous studies on the value of milk have been conducted, including one by Harvard University and the Dairy Education Board. Some people also assume that dairy products are essential and that regular milk consumption is healthy for the body. And still others believe that milk is a little toxin. There is even an entire website called notmilk.com that is anti-milk and has a ton of pieces outlining the reported sins of milk. However, there are still facts that support the notion that milk and dairy products are good for our health. Milk can help you lose weight. People can still flourish on milk, whether it be to develop muscle or lose fat, according to nutritionist Alan Aragon. He outlines some of the facts and theories that lead some people to stop drinking milk in a piece he penned for Men's Health magazine. One allegation contends that milk from animals contains hormones that cause cancer. He has developed a few explanations for the regular consumption of the beverage after conducting study on anti-milk claims and becoming aware of the pro-milk propaganda. In a 6-month study carried out at the University of Tennessee, he makes this argument. According to the study, obese individuals who drank 3 servings of milk daily lost more belly fat than those who ate similarly but drank less milk. Additionally, studies show that calcium pills are ineffective compared to milk consumption. This is due to the fact that milk and other dairy products contain additional substances that can help with fat burning more effectively. Even though this must be combined with a healthy diet, excessive milk consumption and junk food consumption are probably not going to lead to a healthy weight reduction. Milk is good for bone health. Milk is frequently cited as being beneficial for bones and teeth. Milk is an excellent source of vitamin D, which helps to reduce stress and heartburn. Additionally, it is known to ease heartburn and lower tension. Everyone is aware that if they ate something too spicy, they should drink a mug of milk. The warm, thick liquid covers the esophagus and lessens the burning pain. What do you think of these beverages for bedtime? How about you? Do you love milk? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.